Am I the only one that didn't know there's a flower that numbs pain on contact? Meet spilanthes, also known as the toothache plant. It's called the toothache plant for a reason. Just a small bite sends a tingling sensation through your mouth, and yes, it can actually numb pain. Traditionally used to relieve toothaches, sore throats and mouth ulcers, this little powerhouse also fights inflammation and boosts your immune health. So next time you're exploring herbal remedies, don't overlook this electrifying bloom. Nature really knows how to get your attention.